Welcome aboard, friends, to a special sermon that tackles a prevalent issue affecting lives everywhere, bullying. Today, we set sail on a journey to understand the depths of this problem and find solace in the wisdom of the scriptures. Good day, fellow travelers on life's vast sea! Bullying is an unfortunate reality that many face, irrespective of age, race, or location. It leaves scars on hearts, diminishes self-worth, and disrupts the peace we all yearn for. But fear not, for together, we shall explore the lessons provided by the Holy Scriptures and discover how we can overcome bullying. Bullying can manifest in various forms: physical aggression, verbal abuse, exclusion, or even cyberbullying. It's crucial to remember that our responses to such cruelty determine our own character and the impact we have on others. Our first step towards overcoming bullying is to recognize our own worth. Each of us is fearfully and wonderfully made in the image of God. The Book of Psalms reminds us, "I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made, your works are wonderful, I know that full well." Psalm 139:14. When we embrace this truth, we build resilience to withstand the hurtful words and actions of others. In the face of bullying, we find solace in the words of Jesus, who teaches us the power of love and forgiveness. As he said in Matthew 5:44, "But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you." Although it may seem difficult, responding to hatred with kindness and compassion can bring about transformation in the lives of both the bullied and the bully. Remember, we are all part of one human family. The Apostle Paul beautifully describes this unity in Galatians 3:28, "There is neither Jew nor Gentile, neither slave nor free, nor is there male and female, for you are all one in Christ Jesus." Our differences should be celebrated, not used as weapons to harm one another. It is our responsibility to create an environment where bullying has no place to thrive. Proverbs 31:8-9 reminds us, "Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves, for the rights of all who are destitute." Speak up and judge fairly, defend the rights of the poor and needy. Let us be the voice for those who suffer in silence, the advocates for justice, and the guardians of peace. As we conclude this sermon on board the ship, let us remember that by embracing our worth, demonstrating love, celebrating unity, and standing against bullying, we can bring healing and hope to those affected by this social epidemic. May God's grace guide us on this journey, and may our actions reflect the light of His love. Thank you for joining us on this meaningful voyage. Remember, together, we can make a difference and create a world free from the shadows of bullying. Stay strong, stay compassionate, and be the change you wish to see. Until we meet again, fair winds and following seas.